This is gonna get really annoying watching me swing back and forth, but it's okay. Wanna know why? Because I am a VSCO girl. So obviously we are on my kitchen floor right now because I wanted to spread out and still get decent lighting. We are tie-dyeing right now. I am turning into a VSCO girl, and I have these tube socks and I have an oversized old white t-shirt that was my father's. I also have a pair of gross ass Vans. I know, like, I'm super late to this VSCO girl trend, but I needed to hop on because I think it sounds really fun, and I don't have much other reason other than I want to. I'm thinking we do a teal, orange, and pink sort of wash look. Let's get going. I sort of want to do like a little bit of a twist in like the upper. Here we are. Ready to take on surgery of the dye. Okay. It looks like blood splatter. Oops. For some time, can't stop staring. The light pink, this like purpley pink color, and then the teal. Okay, the tie-dye is done. It is getting its life together. Can't relate, but moving on to the next VSCO girl task. What is super VSCO girl? Friendship bracelets! I only found white thread, so we are making a white one. Okay, and like supposedly they tie it to their hydro flasks and then make it off of that. I unfortunately don't have a hydro flask, but I do have a water bottle, and I was going to turn it into a VSCO girl hydro flask. Because I don't have stickers and this isn't actually a hydro flask, I would draw up some. I have paper, tape, and some colors, and we're gonna make the hydro flask logo. Oh, I need scissors. Got them. See, like, I would totally get a hydro flask, except I'm on a college student budget and they're expensive. It looks identical. Oh my gosh, you can't even tell the difference. No hydro flask is complete without being covered in stickers. Let's make some. Wow, that is the worst bubble letter S I think I've ever made. We are ready to make friendship bracelets. make a friendship bracelet off camera because I'm struggling so hard and I need to eat, so I'm gonna do that at the same time. Yeah! I am decked out with my scrunchies and friendship bracelets and bracelets. And I got my fanny pack. Like, oh, you mean you need a camera? Oh, okay, I'm ready. Ready to take on the VSCO world. So, what is a VSCO girl, you might ask? Pretty much Emma Chamberlain and her little squad. The app VSCO created a style that we've all seen before that's beachy and oversized and colorful and likes to use filters that emphasize the orange and the teals. Common trends include hydro flasks, friendship bracelets, tie-dye, oversized shirts, Ray-Ban sunglasses, Birkenstocks. Oh, I forgot my Birkenstocks. Oh, ugh. Birkenstocks. I like to hop on the trend a little too late, but there's no but. Here. Yeah. It's a little bit of an edgier, more Urban Outfitters, less Brandy Melville, VSCO girl. Tee-hee-hee, I have my platform Vans, Urban Outfitters mom jeans, and a butterfly Urban Outfitters top with, of course, the scrunchies and all of that. And, oh, can't forget the sunglasses. What's the point of this video? Style.